Here's my tutoring on scientific notation math. Probably the easiest is multiplying. 4 times 3 is 12. When we're multiplying, the exponents on the times 10 add up. So 3 plus or minus 7 is minus 4. However, this is going to get you half credit. We want to do this in digit dot. We want the decimal after the first digit that's not 0. So this needs to turn into 1.20. Did this get bigger or smaller? Smaller. Then this must get bigger. This got smaller by 1 decimal point. This must get bigger by 1 decimal point. And bigger is less negative, which I left on the board in red lettering. Bigger is less negative. When we divide, we're going to subtract the exponents. So 2 over 5 is 4 over 10, which is 0.4. And 3 minus a minus 3 is actually, whoops, positive 6, isn't it? But this is not digit dot. We want to go to 4.0. This got bigger. Oops, so this must get smaller. There we go. This got bigger by 1 decimal point, so this must get smaller by 1 decimal point. When we're going to add, hold on. When we're adding and subtracting, the exponents must match. These do not match. And the reason they must match is that you're fooling yourself if you think those decimals are lined up when these don't match. So you have to make them match. And it's easier if you take the smaller one and make it bigger. So here I took the smaller exponent and made it bigger. But this just got bigger by 1 decimal point. So this must get smaller by 1 decimal point. And then I can add them up. A common multiplier falls into the answer. If I said 300 plus 200, you would say 5, and you wouldn't hesitate to say 100, would you? So you don't say, oh, maybe it's 5,000, maybe it's 5 million. You know, 100 plus 100 gives you hundreds. So 10 to the 6 plus 10 to the 6 gives you 10 to the 6th. Now we can do it with negative exponents. This is a smaller exponent. It's easier if we make it bigger. So let's transform the negative 4 exponent to negative 3. This just got bigger by 1 decimal point, so this must get smaller by 1 decimal point. And then we can subtract this. And again, the common multiplier falls into the answer.